I'm Emma Cleaver. I'm an agronomist based in York, WA. And I'm just going to show you, this is the universal soil probe that we use for our soil sampling. So how it works is it has 10 centimetre increments up to 30 centimetres that we can go down to depth. Yeah, so stick it in the ground. That's 10 centimetres. So you can go down to 30 centimetres with it within 10 centimetre increments. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Usually this would have a little bowl in it. We'd collect the sample, put it into a bag. We'd GPS locate it by scanning the bag through our Nutrien soil sampling app. And then we'd send them off via post to our lab in Malaga to get the results.
Hi, my name's John Morrow. I'm the laboratory supervisor here at the Nutrien lab. We test for soil and plants. So I'm just going to have a quick run through of the process here. So samples come in here, they get organized. We put samples onto the trays, getting ready for drying. We dry them overnight at 60 degrees in these ovens. Then come the next day, they come out of the ovens, they go onto the grinders, grind them up, put them into bags, put them into the different trays, and then they're off into the prep lab, ready for weighing. So you come with me here. This is the prep laboratory. So over here is our weighing station. So for all the different tests, they all get weighed up into these little white bottles. As so, once they're weighed up, we add an extracting solution depending on what the test is. They're put into the bottles as well. Then we put them into tumble trays. So these tumble trays, we can put 100 samples in here. So line them up, put the lid on. Once that's done, you take the tumble trays, come out here, and then they go into the tumblers. So you put it on there, strap them in, put them down, and they'll tumble. Say for 1 hour, depending on what the test. Then we'll take them out of the tumble trays. And then it's time to put them into test tubes. So they come off. Here. And then, once we take the lid off, we'll get some test tubes. Just pretend these ones we prepared earlier. And then what we'll do is we'll get the test tubes, pour them in. Once they're all filled, they need to be clarified. So we'll put them in a centrifuge. So we have one like this. We'll arrange them as so. Put them in the centrifuge, close the lid, turn it on. After about 10 minutes, we'll have a nice, clear water sample that we can test. So we'll take it out. It out. And just pretend that we've already made this one up. So they'll come out and they'll be ready for testing on our instruments. So we'll go to the instrument room. Alright, so this is our instrument room. We have 2 ICP OES, we have 2 Gallery Pluses, and we have 1 LECO instrument. So here's one that we prepared earlier. This will go into ICP. So you can see there, nice clear liquid. So that will go in, turn it on, run it. Takes about 1 minute to do 1 test tube. So if you're doing 200 samples, it'll be 200 minutes to run through. Once they come through, we review the results, like so. And here, we've got some results already here. So we've got some boron, calcium, copper, potassium. potassium, magnesium. Ready to go. So those results will be uploaded into our database and then forward on to our agronomists who will go over it and make recommendations.